Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 5 of my Mattel Brick Shop Mercedes-Benz 300SL build. Last time got the sides on and this engine compartment area. Now we're going to continue. Okay, got everything out here and we're building seats. Lots of printed tiles up here. Start again. So got these parts out here, lots of printed tiles for the dashboard and the seats, and we're building the seats. So let's get started on that. Okay, so we have, the next part is, we got to slide up here. This goes over here. Is that the same thing, 1x3? Okay. So, and then we have one of the printed plaid patterns here, along with, like that's real nice that they just print on the big tile. So, and then we have this large curved slope, so that matches nicely. Am I doing this 2 times? Oh, I am doing this 2 times. I'm glad I caught that. So, better to catch that. Now, okay. There we go, and then this is the 4x4 tile. So this is like 2 times all the way there. Now I can put sides on here. Okay, line it up better. Okay, and then we have curved quarter round tiles for the corners. These don't go on as nice. I have to say that they're not quite as slick as Lego tends to be. Sometimes you have these more problems. These are the kind of problems you have with Technic, but not really with bricks in Lego. Let's just get these on where things like are not, lining up quite right. A little tight. I mean, these things are stuck on good, that's for sure. Okay, and now these pieces? No, not these ones. Where's the right? What's these ones? Okay, I think they're supposed to go like that. And we have 2 more of those that go there and there. Okay. It's interesting. And that goes there. Okay. Oops. Missed it because that top piece is not there yet. it is. Okay, now I need... Okay, these go right to the end. Man, these just don't line up very good on this. These tiles going onto these brackets. Okay, that was a little better. Okay, we need the dark gray. Okay, they're supposed to go the other way. Okay. Yeah, that's supposed to go. Those are pretty tight. Now I need to hook the top to the bottom and put these square tiles in here. And every piece is like, you gotta really push them together. Oh, it does lean. Okay. There we go. Mercedes-Benz custom upholstery for the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL when it was first released. Offered custom upholstery. Okay. Okay, let's put these in here. Since they're the same, we should be able to just pop them onto the... okay, there we go. And hopefully I can line that up. There it is. So that's looking good. Now, what's next here? Now we gotta just line these up. This one time, 2 times. I think this is just 1 time. Dashboard. 3 of these. Okay, and then we have the downward facing ones. Oh, see, yeah, because in Lego they hook up. Oh, so these more or less turn just the brick into a... Ah, that's how they're a little bit different. Okay, is that right? Oh, that's not... That's the wrong side. The wrong side! I put it on the wrong side. Gotta move all of these because it's on the wrong side. Okay, now I need to put these slopes on, or these slopes with jumpers on them. They go all the way across. They go all the way across. So a couple of them go to just one stud connections. These 2 end ones. And now this goes through here. And then that goes in here. Okay. Now what? We're gonna put these 2. I'd say they're Technic bricks, but they're not Technic bricks because it's not Technic. Okay. There's one. Oh, it's just one. And then we're doing this again, but now. Okay. See, this is one of these cases where it's like it is hard to put those on. Okay, so we're putting that here. That's interesting. And then okay, those are hooked up. Now we have this interesting combination of these brackets. Wow, we're really like putting them in all different directions. We really need to get a specific angle here, I guess. To need to do it this way. Okay, let's do that. Must need a very specific. Well, we do have these pieces. All these slopes over here. Oh, this is for the dashboard. Okay, so now we have the 300 SL plate or tile. We have a clock. That's a clock over here, and one of the dash pieces. This guy goes on the end. One of the dials. And we have two. Man, they cut out those corner pieces. That's pretty good. Like, Lego would never do that. Well, I guess it depends. If enough people were to buy these sets from the other brands, then maybe Lego would make some changes to... I'd think they would make some changes to printing first. That would be the easy thing they could do before adding some of the extra bricks. Well, they don't necessarily need to add any bricks. They just need to... They add the printing. That'd be like something a lot of people would be very happy about. You don't necessarily even have to do it on the kids sets. You can just do it on more of the adult sets. Okay, since you have so many now. And a cheese slope there. It says 2. There's supposed to be another one over here. Okay, and then these are just, do they line up? Oh, no, they don't. They don't line up with the other cheese slopes. It's weird. Okay. This is a very specific piece. They don't line up. They're close, but not quite. They're close, but not quite pieces. They don't line up with the cheese slope types. Okay. Now there's a mirror. Oh, we have this. That goes here, and that line matches up nicely with the bottom dials there. Not perfectly, but pretty good. And it's right to the edges, so unlike a sticker that you can't get to the edge. And then we have the mirror that's located over here. If I can get it out of here. I don't know if I can get it out. I pop it out this way. There we go. And that goes in here. It's a metal mirror. That's pretty cool. So that's something that makes it a better mirror. Actually metal, so. Okay, so now, what is, oh, it's supposed to move this down. Oh, that's for the steering column. Okay, so that lines up over there. And then, we're gonna pop that in. It should just go right like that. Yeah. Yeah, the radio's there, everything lines up there. Okay, now we have the steering column piece. Hopefully this we can get in. There we go. Did go in there. And now this 2-branch steering wheel piece was designed specifically for the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Okay, so it's just like Lego. You get, they're always just a little bit not perfectly straight. So I line it up, yeah. Always gonna be just a little bit off. Okay, what are we doing here? I'll make this little wall. Pop that up here. And then we have this with the ring piece on it. That goes there. That's it. I'm gonna give it an extra tube. A couple other extra pieces there. Not sure if we're supposed to have all of them, but so we have the tubes with the holes in them, and then we have a regular tube. That's supposed to go here, I think. Okay, or one over there. Then there is this guy, and we have 2 grills that need to go down. These grills. So it's, oh no. What is it? It's 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 over. And then this is like this one. And the grill goes there. That curved piece goes there. And then there's this thing. And another grill. Okay. And we have another one of those. And this is this one? No. This one. That goes here. We have a... No, not that. This? What is this? And that goes here. So we got a pulley there. I don't think we're gonna actually make it do anything though. Okay, and then there's two of these things. I think. What do we got? We got these. Man, there's just like all these different little parts here. Okay, that's there. And then we have this other piece. Like kind of silvery gray. And that is the bar piece on there. And then we're hooking these up this way. Oh, this is an engine. I guess this is an engine. And then we put these little caps on. Okay, and then it's this thing. Okay, so there's 3 of these, and I gotta put all 3 of them on there. That's really weird. Why do it this way? Okay. Why would all 3 go on? Okay, so that's there. And then I have to put the cap piece on. So it goes like that. Okay, now we have that goes there. Other side and another. And then a cap on top of that. And then that is supposed to go into here. Another cap on it. Okay. That's there. And then we're hooking that up there. That is, I don't know what that's supposed to be. Spark plugs, I don't know. Okay, so now that goes in here, I take it. Is it really way off to the side like that? Okay. Okay, now the bar piece and 2 of these guys. These curved slopes that are 1x4s and okay, now okay, that goes there, and then there's this little curved guy here, and then we put that there, That's supposed to go in here. We are building quite a detailed engine here. Neat. There's a third one of those. And I'll line that up a bit better. Okay. Like that, and okay, I need 3. These pieces. All 3 of them. Is the exhaust manifold? I don't know. It's something. It definitely goes over top here. Goes over top of this piece. Okay. Now, need the short rubber hose here. It is, so that's supposed to go in there. It's gonna be tight. Is that supposed to be like that? Okay. I'm just curious, that's supposed to be that tight. Okay. That and then, yeah. Doesn't show it going all the way on there, so I'm assuming they know it's hard to get on. That's a different way to do that, I suppose, with actual rubber hoses. Okay, so this is up here. And then we have to hook it up. Like, well, that's a tricky one to get in there, isn't it? How am I supposed to get that in there? There. Okay. Now we have another one of these things we're gonna push together here. Okay, and then this goes on the end. Now where does that go? So this is on top of here. And this looks on top of that tube we put in earlier. And that's it. And that's a lot of extra pieces left for that one. Well, that's been part 5 of my Mattel Brick Shop Mercedes-Benz 300 SL build. This time got the seats in, some of the dashboard interior kind of, as well as the engine quite well built out. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.